Question 7. In the diagram, what is the sum of the marked angles? Now, we're not given any actual angles here, but we can work out from the fact that we've got a quadrilateral in the center. We start with that information. So we know that if we add together this angle, plus this angle, plus this angle, plus this angle, then this must sum to 360 degrees. Because this angle here and this angle here are vertically opposite, then these four must also add to 360, must also sum to 360, because the blue ones do. What have we got internally in this triangle? Well, we've got 180 degrees, and we've got 180 degrees 4 times. So the sum of the marked angles, that's this one, plus 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 this one, is all of those triangles subtract this, plus this, plus this, plus this, which once we take it away from these gives us the answer. So we know that the red angles sum to 360. Now, for ease of calculation, what I've noticed is that 360 is 2 times 2 multiplied by 180. Therefore, we've got 4 multiplied by 180, subtract 2 multiplied, and therefore we've got 2 multiplied by 180, which equals 360, which equals B. If you didn't spot that, it's a case of working it out. The calculation isn't difficult if you know your numbers, and you can, if you know your 180 times table, the answer is 360 and it's B.